Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. In last class, we have discussed the topic 101 to 200 numbers. All of you practice the numbers? Okay. Now, so what is this number? What is this number? Yes, 175. And what is this number? Yes, 186. Okay, understood? So maybe I think all of you practice more and more the numbers. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic. Write numerals from 201 to 300. Okay, write the numerals from 201 to 300 numbers. Okay, so now we start with your 201. Okay, so now first of all of you take your textbook. Open your textbook. Page number 16. Now, here in that first bit over. Yesterday we are discussed the topic first bit. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the topic second bit. Here in second bit, what the given question here? Write numerals from 201 to 300. Okay, take your textbook and take your pencil. All of you take your pencil. Okay, ready with your textbook and pencil. Now, here start with here 201 to 300 numbers. Here in the some boxes they are given numbers and remaining boxes they are not given numbers. So, where the boxes are empty boxes are there, you can write the answer. Okay. Now, here 201. Start with here 201. Here in the board I written, I'm writing 201 to 300 numbers. Okay. So, all of you must and should watch the video and carefully and write the answers in your textbook. Okay. Now, here start with 201. Next 202. And next 203. Okay. And next 204. 204. While writing your textbook, you can read and write your answers. Okay. 201, 202, 203, 204. And next 205. And next 206. And next 207. And next 208. And next 209. And next 210. Okay. So now these are the numbers from 201 to 210. Okay. And next one 211. Okay. And next 212. And next number 213. And next number 214. And next number 215. Okay. And next number 216. Okay. And next number 217. And next number 218. And next number 219. And here 220. Okay. These are the numbers from 211 to 220. Okay. So what are the numbers? 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219 and 220. Okay. So now these are the numbers from 211 to 220. Okay. Now here start with 221. Okay. And next one 222. And next number 223. And next number 224. And next number 225. And next number 226. And next number 227. And next 228. And next number 229. And next 230. Okay, these are the numbers from 221 to 230. Okay, understood all of you? Once again I repeat the number 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229 and next 230. Okay, and next start with here 231. Okay, and next 232. And next number 233. Okay, and next number 234. And next number 235. And next number 236. And next number 237. Next number 238. And next number 239. And next number 240. Okay, these are the numbers from 231 to 240. Okay, now I repeat again 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. Okay, and next here start with 241. And next one 242. And next number 243. And next number 244. And next number 245. And next number 246. Okay, and next number 247. And next number 248. 249. And 250. Okay, these are the numbers from 241 to 250. So now I repeat again 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Okay. Now next here 251. And next number 252. And next number 253. Okay. And next number 254. And next number 255. Next number 256. Okay, and next number 257. And next number 258. And next number 259 and 260. Okay, now these are the numbers from 251 to 260. Okay, now 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, and next 260. Okay, now we start with 261, and next 262, and next 263. Okay, and next 264, and next number 265, and next number 266, and next number 267, next number 268, next 269, and next number 270. Okay, these are the numbers from 261 to 270. Okay, now here 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Okay, now here start with 271. Okay, next 272. Okay, and next number 273, and next number 274, next number 275, and next 276, and next number 277, and next 278, and next number 279, and next 280. Okay, these are the numbers from 271 to 280. So what are the numbers are there? 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280. Okay, now here start with 281. Next number 282. Next 283. Okay, and next number 284. And next number 285. And next number 286. Okay, and next number 287. And next number 288. Next 289 and 290. Okay, so these are the numbers from 281 to 290. Okay, now once again I repeat the numbers: 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289 and 290. Okay, now we are start with 291. And next number 292. Okay, and next number 293. And next number 294. And next number 295. Next 296. Next number 297. Next number 298. And next 299. And next at last 300. Okay, understood all of you? Now once again repeat the numbers. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Okay, so these are the numbers from 201 to 300. Okay, so now all of you write the numbers in your textbook. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, take your pencil and write the total numbers. Means here already they are given numbers. Remaining numbers you can write 201 to 300 numbers. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, 201 to, these are the 210, and next 211 to 220, and next box 221 to 230. Okay, and next line 231 to 240, and next 241 to 250, next 251 to 260. Okay, 261 to 270, and then 271 to 280. Okay, and next 281 to 290, and then 291 to 300. So write these numbers in your rough notebook and practice more and more. While writing the numbers, you can read the number and you can write. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, so these are the numbers from 201 to 300. Okay, now next class we will meet again. Another numbers means 301 to 400. Okay, till then all of you goodbye.